Welcome! Today I will tell you about how to make TikTok profile photo invisible. Here are the main topics that we will talk about in this video. Invisible on Android, invisible on iPhone, invisible on TikTok online, transparent profile photo in TikTok. Let us begin. In this video, you will learn how to make your TikTok profile picture invisible. It's a complete helpline for you as it includes all sorts of information on how you can make your profile photo invisible on any sort of device. So keep watching to find out how you can make your photo invisible. Invisible on Android. Android is without a doubt today's most popular smartphone operating system. That's because these mobiles have evolved into powerful gadgets that can compete with PCs in almost every way. Ultimate Background Eraser, for example, may be used to modify photo backgrounds on your Android phone. You don't need any professional skills to edit your images with this free program because the user interface is self-explanatory. Simply touch the area you want to erase and the auto eraser will take care of the rest. You may also manually delete picture backgrounds with the lasso tool or finger touching as intended. The finest part is that you can undo and redo for precise results. Invisible on iPhone. This is when things start to get interesting. It's no news that transparent PNG profile images aren't supported on iPhones and iPads. However, there is a technique to make your TikTok iPhone profile image translucent. We'll use Wondershare Uniconverter to remove a picture's backdrop before exporting it to iOS in this way. It's a straightforward AI-powered desktop application that allows you to delete image backgrounds without lifting a finger. You may also convert your image to iPhone-compatible JPG, JPEG, and PNG formats. In addition to eliminating image backgrounds, users may also trim, compress, and add effects to their photographs. Invisible on TikTok online. There are many online tools available that can make your profile picture on TikTok invisible. One of them is Photo Scissors. It is a straightforward, fast, and ad-free website for removing backgrounds from PNG, JPG, and WebP images. You may submit up to 10 megabyte image files here, and the AI-powered system will effectively remove the backdrop. You may also alter the backdrop with colors, another picture, sketches, and so on before downloading your image. Unfortunately, you can only delete one photo's backdrop at a time. Another one of them is Background Cut. It's a website powered by artificial intelligence that eliminates image backgrounds for free. This website is simple to use, quick, and compatible with most picture formats. Simply drag and drop the image over Background Cut to have the scene instantly deleted. It also has tools for fine-tuning your image file before storing it, similar to Photo Scissors. You can, for example, alter the color of your hair to white. Transparent profile photo in TikTok. You may update your profile photo fast and effortlessly, whether you're a new or experienced TikTok user. On a desktop, however, you can't edit your profile image, despite the fact that the site is available through PC web browsers. It's also worth noting that there's no limit to how many times you may alter your profile image. Also, instead of still photographs, you may use a 6-second movie as your profile picture. I have given you the right kind of information to finally change your profile picture on TikTok, whether on iPhone or Android. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and watch the next video to learn more.